These pictures show the actual front and rear sights on my pistol, the Beretta 92 FS, a 9mm semi-automatic pistol. Today I want to teach you about proper sight alignment. The red magnets represent the rear sights on a gun. The black magnet represents the front sight on a gun. The smiley face represents your target. If the top of all three sights are even, that demonstrates proper sight alignment. Your bullet will hit the target. If the front sight is lower than the rear sights, the bullet will strike beneath the target. If the front sight is higher than the rear sights, the bullet will strike above the target. One of the common mistakes when sighting with a gun is to bring the gun up and then move the head around to try to find the sights. What you should be doing is you take your dominant eye, you look at your target, and then you bring your gun up so that the sights are in line between the target and your dominant eye. There's no need to move the head around. From the side, I find my point that I'm going to shoot at. I'm looking at it, and I bring my sights into alignment with that point. So there's no bobbling the head around. And you can get very quick with that. Just look. All you got to do, it's so simple. You just look at your target and put the sights between your eye and the target. Notice how my head doesn't have to move at all. That's how you develop proper sight alignment. And this method works regardless of the firearm I'm using. If I'm using my AR pistol or an AR rifle, I look at my spot and I bring my sights up into alignment where that spot is. So no bobbing the head, look at the spot, bring the sights up into alignment. It's very simple. People make shooting a lot more difficult than it needs to be.